Hi there, it's Nonna Teresa. Today I'm going to be making some cookies. I got everything ready. So on a clean counter and clean hands, I'm going to start with the eggs. I'm going to add the sugar and the oil. Just give it a quick mix. Vanilla powder, but you can add liquid, yogurt, I'll start putting the flour a little bit at a time. I'm going to add the baking powder. So now I'm going to add the flour here on the counter. Get everything. Work it in a little bit. It's coming along good. I have jam here and I have roasted almonds, which I'm gonna put them inside these cookies, and they are amazing, delicious. Okay, I'm almost done with till the counter comes nice and clean. And the dought's all done. So I'm gonna wash my hands now and I'll be back and we're gonna start making cookies. Okay, I'm gonna start stretching the dough. I'm gonna put some flour on parchment paper. I'll put some flour on top. Make it into like a square kind of thing. Okay. And we're gonna be making strips after. And I'm gonna roll these cookies. Here I have homemade jam, which this is plum jam. I made this myself. And I'm just gonna spread a little bit of jam on here. Okay, just a little bit more. These are roasted almonds, crushed. Oh, you know, a little coarse. Some here. Okay, some more. And with this rolling thing, like I'm gonna do the strips. But if you don't have one of these, you can use a pizza cutter. And just do the strips like that. I'm gonna do it this way so you can see. Just kind of roll it like that. Okay. And you place it on the front paper. And the same thing here. Okay, it doesn't matter if one comes bigger than the other, you know. Beautiful. And I'm gonna get a new sheet of parchment paper and I'm gonna do the other dough. There you go. I'll put this one here. And they're all ready to go in the oven. And the other one. I'll put this one here. See you when they're done. The cookies are ready. They're being cooling off. As you can see, they look beautiful. So you can eat them the way they are, or you can just decorate them with icing sugar. I melted some chocolate and I'll just, you know, just go along like that. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time. Ciao for now.